Hey guys, welcome back to another mini video. This is the video that I said that I would upload for you guys since I wasn't able to record how I did this seashell nail in my last video. And if you haven't watched my last video, I will leave it in the cards for you guys to watch. So I'm just going to show you how I did it on this press-on nail really quick. So what I do first is apply the base coat, which I cured for 60 seconds, and then as you can see here, I'm gonna apply the gel polish from Madame Glam in Perfect White, and I'm just gonna do one coat just for the sake of keeping this video short. But if you think you need 2 coats, you can always do 2 coats, of course. And then I'm gonna cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. So now that my gel polish is cured, I'm going to go ahead and top it off with the gel top coat from Cuba that I use. And this time I'm going to cure for 30 seconds because I want to keep the surface sticky so I can apply my chrome powder. Alright, so now it's time to apply the chrome powder, and the chrome powder that I used, I did buy it off of Amazon, and I believe it's called Mermaid, and I will make sure to leave it in the description box below so you guys can check it out in case you guys are interested. And I'm just taking this makeup applicator to apply it onto the surface of the nail. Now that I'm done applying my chrome powder, I'm going to go ahead and apply my gel top coat from Cuba. And once I'm done with that, I am going to cure for 60 seconds. So now we are moving on to creating the Seashell Design, and what I used was the hard gel from IBD along with this brush. Now I don't know if it's hard gel that I'm supposed to be using to create this, but this is what worked for me at this time. But if you guys have any other suggestions, I'm always open to them to make my life a little bit easier. Again, I'm not a professional, so this is what worked for me. So once I dip my brush in the hard gel, I do make sure that I grab a good amount, and I start off really thick at the top and work my way down, making sure that it's thin at the bottom. And I do this on both sides of the nail, as you can see, and just working my way down towards the side of the nail. One thing that I did notice using the hard gel, that very first line that I did, it started spreading out onto the sides, so it didn't stay super thick. So I did have to put another blob on top of that and cure it because again it was starting to flatten out. But it worked out at the end. Again, if you have any other suggestions, please let me know down in the comments. But once I did my seashell design, you can either leave it clear or you can do what I'm doing now, which is applying the chrome powder. But of course I did cure the hard gel first for about 40-50 seconds, I think I did, just to leave it a little bit sticky, and then applied my chrome powder. And then after I did my chrome powder, I applied my my rhinestones. So this is the final result. This is my seashell nail. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys would use hard gel or if you guys would go another route. I would definitely love to hear your suggestions. But if you guys did like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.